What's you doing? What's you doing? What do you think of this stuff, huh? What do you think of this stuff? Some good snow. Wow. For sure. Heck yeah. Well, Thanksgiving Day, we got our snow. Yeah. Been traveling all over the place, like waiting and looking for this stuff. Finally got it. And it's supposed to be 3 days of it, so pretty cool, pretty stoked. But we're probably gonna need more wood. I think it's a good thing I put all the reserves underneath the Sunrader for sure. Batteries are way down. That's why I'm trying to get the solar back up. So last year I had gotten into a position where I ran out of sun because I got so much snow because I used the diesel heater, you know, in the morning getting it ready to go. And so last year one of my projects was to install a DC to DC converter. So now, even if I do get in a situation, emergency situation, where I can't get any solar, I can always crank on the motor and get the DC to DC running, which will give me enough time. I don't want to run it forever, it's not a diesel, but it'll get a charge up, and in an emergency situation, it would allow me to turn the diesel heater on, because the diesel heater pulls a lot of watts when it first starts. So if you got real low batteries, it can have an issue and not start, and in an emergency situation that could be a really bad thing. So with the DC to DC, crank it on, get those amps up real quick, crank on the heater, could even turn it right back off and it wouldn't be a problem. So what do you think, Stink? Huh? You ready to go back in? You ready to go back in? Feels so good. Oh, I love this stuff. That egg is frozen. Frozen solid. Cracked even. Wow. I've never had it so cold that my meat and everything is frozen in my refrigerator. It's crazy. Seems like this year the temperature is much, much colder than it was last year. And it's weird because it's the same temperature. It just seems like it's colder. It doesn't make sense. gonna do a cold start. Hopefully she starts. Ooh, yeah. We haven't started it in about 5 days, and it's been really, really cold. The refrigerator right here is at 16 degrees. The refrigerator part, not the freezer, just because of the cold in here. So yeah, it's been nippy, but it starts, so we're gonna let her warm up, and we finally are getting some sun, which is nice. Lily's finally not freezing. You can still see my breath though. It's still really cold out here, but the sun makes it nice. It's just yeah, it's so pretty here. It's kind of a bummer we're not going to get any wheeling done in the snow, it looks like, because by the time we're out of here, which is I think 2 or 3 more days, I just saw a really big bird. Really big. God, where'd it go? I saw the shadow against the thing there. Darn. Pretty sure there was an eagle way up at the top up there when I first got here. He was soaring. I was hoping that was him coming down for some water. Yeah, that'd been cool. But as I was saying, one of the drawbacks of a rig, oh, it's just a crow. One of the drawbacks of the rig, such as this, when you've got a bigger base camp, is really a pain to, you know, stop it. Hey! Freaking crow's going after Lily. Come on, stinker. Jeez. Yeah, sucker came right after Lily. Wow. Anyway, that's not gonna happen. Not on my watch. So, what I was saying is, having a big rig like this, being the snow is probably going to be mostly melted. I'll be here for 2 more days. But, you know, everything, I've got my wood, I've got my chainsaw, I've got everything out. It's kind of a bummer. What do you think, Lil? Having a blast? Huh? You having a blast? Yeah. At least you're not freezing. Well, you still got stuff, but it's not as cold, is it? Nope. Wish you guys could be here, man. This is just so epic. Yeah, I hope I've at least done something to share with you guys and encourage you guys. Be able to get out when you can. Just go do something. It's so cool.